quotient E. Inside bracket 5 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 3 to the power 0 minus 4 square to the power 2. So we know any kinds of thing, the power will be 0, it means 1. So we don't need any calculation against 5 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 3 because the power is 0. So directly we can write 1 minus 4 square to the power 2, it means 4 to the power 4, right? So here is a 1 and 4 to the power 4 means 256. You can calculate this one because no need to take any risks. So 256. Now look, 1 minus 256, the result will be minus 255. This is our answer. So finally A, B, C, D, E has done. Number F. Inside bracket 10 to the power 5 divide 10 square to the power square plus 3 to the power 3 divide 3 to the power 1 to the power 4. So first we know once base are same, in division power will be subtract. It means 10, 5 minus 2, it's a 3, and here is a 2, it will be multiply with this. Why? Because a to the power b to the power c, it means a to the power b times c, plus here is a base same thing. In division power will be subtract, it means 3 minus 1, it's a 2, and then times 4. So here is a 10 to the power 6 plus 3 to the power 2 times 4, it's a 8. So what will be the result of 10 to the power 6? 10 to the power 6, it's a big number, it means 1 2 3 4 5 6, it means 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus, and then 3 to the power 8, 3 to the power 8, it will be 6561, 6561. So this is 0 plus 1, it will be 1, 0 plus 6, it will be 6, 0 plus 5, it will be 5, 0 plus 6, again 6, and then 1 0 0. This is our answer. And finally I am trying to solve this set where we are taking simplify and then evaluate each expression. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please, my request, subscribe my channel. Thank you.